this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to screen mirror your Android phone to your TCL TV. So I have my TCL TV in the background here, and it's very easy to screen mirror. Now the most important thing is you have to be connected to the same internet. So if I scroll on down to Wi-Fi right here, you can see I'm connected to the same Wi-Fi as my TV. And if you're not connected to the same Wi-Fi, you're not going to be able to discover each other, your TV and your phone. Then on my Samsung phone, I have an option called Smart View, but just look through these different buttons on the swipe down menu on the top right. Look for something called like Smart View or something like that, Screen Mirror, AnyNet Plus, I don't know, something like that. And then go on over to Smart View right here. Could be called Screen Mirroring, but this is the option on my TV for my Samsung. And then I can just tap this one more time. And I can go to next. And I should be able to just do the entire screen here instead of just one app. So I have my Smart TV, Google Cast. I have like 3 different options on here. So I'm not sure if I'm getting to my Google TV with my TCL TV with Google TV. So I can just try this one more time here. And then go back to Smart View. So here it is. I have Google Cast, Living Room TV. Let's try this one. And then do the entire screen. So I have my Google Chromecast set up. And then I have my TCL TV set up. So I have 2 different options on here. So just switch it over from one app to the entire screen. And you should be able to get it to kick in. So that's how you do it with my Samsung phone. If you're using like a Motorola or something like that, scroll down from the top right. And there should be an option for screencast or screen mirror. And it becomes very apparent when you're going through those different buttons. So it's just going to have a little bit different design. So most of these phones have an option for a screen mirror or something like that. If it's not connecting, it's not showing up, make sure you're connected to the same Wi-Fi network.